Hi everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. In this video, we are going to learn about loops in JavaScript. Loops are very super useful when you want to repeat a task multiple times without writing the same code again and again. Why loops? Imagine you want to print number from 1 to 100. Writing 100 console.log statement would be a painful, right? That's where loop come in. They let us automate repetitive tasks, handle arrays, objects, and make our code much shorter and cleaner. Now, what is a loop? A loop is just a way to run some code repeatedly based on a condition. In JavaScript, we have five main type of loop: for loop, while loop, do while loop, for of, and for in loop. Let's explore them one by one. First one is the for loop. The for loop is the most common one. It runs the code a fixed number of times. Let's move to VS Code and see this. Here the syntax of for loop: let I is equal to 1, I smaller than 5, I plus plus, and console.log I. Here let I equal to 1 is the starting point. Let I smaller than equal to 5 is a condition to stop. I plus plus is an increment after each run. This will print number from 1 to 5. If you run this, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one is the while loop. The while loop keeps running as long as the condition is true. So the example is this: let I is equal to 1, while I smaller than 5, console.log I plus plus, and I as a I plus plus. Notice that we start with the I is equal to 1 and increase it inside the loop. If we forget to increment I, the loop will run forever. If you run this, let me comment this first. If you run this, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from this while loop. If I comment this I plus plus, this move into the infinite loop. I have to stop by using Control C. Next is the do while loop. Unlike while, do while loop is always run at least one, even if the condition is false. Let me show you the how it runs. If you run yes, so this is the syntax for this: do console.log j plus plus while j is smaller than equal to 5 and the value of j is equal to 1. If you run this, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here the code inside do run first. This code runs first, then it checks the condition here by whether it is j smaller than equal to 5 or not. So even if the condition is false, it runs at least once. If I write here 19 value, let's see, this runs this prints the 19 at least once. Let me comment this. Next one is the for of loop. The for of loop is introduced in ES6. It is a perfect for looping through arrays and string. In this, let arr is equal to array is equal to a, b, c values, and we have to print the retrieve the value of this array by using this for let value of arr console.log value, and we can print this. If I run this, I will get a, b, c. Here value takes each item from the array. Means first is the value of first is the a, then b, then c. This loop prints abc as we see. Next one is the for in loop. The for in loop is used to loop through the object properties. Here the object person object is here, and their properties are name and age, and their values are jd and 22. Here key takes the value key takes property names a, name and age, and person of key gives their value jd and 22. If I run this, you will see name is equal to jd and age is equal to 22. So these are the for loops in the JavaScript: for loop, while loop, do while loop, for of loop, for in loop. Now let's quickly recap this. For when you know how many times to run the loop. While runs while condition is true. Do while run at least one. For of loop for arrays and strings. For in for objects. Mastering these will help you handle data efficiently and write cleaner code. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to JDCodebase. For more short and practical tutorials, see you in the next one.